Oh no. Are y'all seeing this? What in the world? What in the world?
I woke up this morning, got me feeling brand new, like I know what to do, got me feeling nostalgic.
Hey family, garden friends, how y'all doing? My name is Nardia and I garden in Northwest Ohio, Zone 6B. It is a gloomy, cloudy, windy day here in Ohio. And I said, let's just go on a quick little, not garden tour, but we're just gonna walk through the garden, the raised bed vegetable garden, and let's just talk about what I have growing. All right, let's go. Just for reference, you guys, this is what my raised bed looks like. Those are the beds across. The big beds, the 4 big ones, are 4 inches by 8 inches by 9 inches. That's a lie. That was a big lie. 4 feet by 8 feet by 2 feet. It is quite a windy day, so I am apologizing from now for all the wind sound that you will hear, but I will try my best. But it is a windy day here today. I also have smaller raised beds in the back that I will show you, and also pots, and also my one pink Greenstalk. Let's get started. We always start on this area here because it's to my left, and I figure I'll read from left to right. So also I recently did a full garden tour where I toured my entire garden, my front yard, my backyard, my flower bed, and my raised garden bed, like everything. I will link that video if you are interested, but for right now we're just gonna walk and talk about the raised bed. We start over here with my German chamomile. I do have chamomile that I planted from seed, I think it was a year or so ago, but I don't think it's German. And from my understanding, I could be wrong, German chamomile is the best one if you want to use it for like medicinal purposes or to make teas. Could be wrong, but that's why I picked up that German chamomile from my garden center. I did not pick up this weed though, so you gotta go. No sir. Right here in this pot we have lemon balm, and it smells so good. I can't wait to like try this in teas and stuff. It's really good. In this front bed here, things are popping up, but I don't remember planting anything back here. Like all this stuff that you see are things that fell from the trees. So this is just all the tree debris. But in the front I planted marigold, and that's not echinacea. Is it echinacea? Yeah, I think it's echinacea. I did also plant some red kidney beans. I don't see them popping up yet. I don't think this is them. Maybe. But I planted like 3 or 4 red kidney beans in here, and the rest of the bed is empty. My plan is to plant okra in this bed whenever I do clean it out. But the plan is to, I think I'm going to do okra in this bed if that doesn't change. Let's see back here. The corn is, this should be filled with corn. Oh, I see. Look, 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 look. All right. All right. We have one. Can y'all see that? One little shoot coming up. Look at it. Oh, here go another one, y'all. Hold on. Another one. Oh, another one. I feel like DJ Khaled. And another one. Oh, look, another one too. Okay, so the corn is coming up. So this entire bed back here is filled with corn, sweet corn. I planted maybe about 20 or so, 20 to 30 seeds in here. So this back bed should be filled with corn. I do plan to clean up back here and make back here my designated compost area, but that will give me some time. And my blackberries. Oh, we're gonna have blackberries, y'all. This is the Baby Cakes blackberry. Oh, I can't wait. Yes, we're getting blackberries. And I do have to get the shade, not the shade cloth, the netting, because if these birds think, what is this? Oh, raspberries are coming up too. Yes. These raspberries are the raspberry shortcake. If these birds think that they will be touching my raspberries or my blueberries, no siree. Let's see what's going on in the tomato bed. Let's go. Moving on to this side. The tomatoes that I planted are looking good. I planted some Big Boy, Better Boy, Cherokee Purple, some Roma. In my last garden video, I'll link it for you guys, I did the planting out where I showed you exactly what I planted. So if you want to see exactly what's in this entire garden bed here, you can definitely check that video out. But the onions are looking good. I think this is a weed. I don't remember planting anything here, so you gotta go. The nasturtium is good. Another marigold over there. And all around here I planted some candy onions, so they're looking good. Okay, now you guys, in my last video I told you guys how I could not find the sun gold tomato. All I kept seeing was sun sugar, which is over here. This one is sun sugar, but I knew that there was a sun gold somewhere. Hold on. Yeah, no, that's super sweet. I'm sorry, I'm here lying to y'all. Okay, this one is a sun sugar. Yeah, sun sugar. But I knew there was a sun gold, and I found the sun gold. And guess what happened, y'all? I went to plant it, and I broke the plant. I broke it. So I still stuck the stem in the ground, and I'm hoping for the best. So maybe it might catch. Hold on, onion. Maybe it might not. I think it's catching. But the good news is I did go back and I did get another one, another sun gold. So I replaced it. But if I can get this one to catch, then I'll have two. And two is better than one. So that's looking good. My potatoes are growing. This is super white. I have to fill up the pot with more soil to raise the soil level in here, so I will be doing that later. And these potatoes are looking good too. This is what? Red Northland? Yeah. Gotta put more soil in this pot as well. The next bed over, I have my peppers and a cute zinnia. Yes, pepper, the Scotch bonnet. I'm watching you, Scotch bonnet, because if I can get Scotch bonnet pepper, I'll be so happy. I'll be so happy. Nasturtium, onions again. Everything so far is looking good. Looking good. So all of these where you see the stakes, those are all peppers. I snuck, here you go, these weeds. I don't know where these weeds are from. Now I recently got the soil delivered from, a company, and these have just been popping up. It's not a lot where it's overwhelmingly annoying, but I mean, I have to expect this because this is topsoil with compost and sand in it, so I'm sure it's gonna have something. But yeah, the eggplants are looking. What is this? I don't remember planting this, but I'm gonna leave it to see what it is. But I don't remember planting anything there. And we got the eggplants. This is a weed. Get rid of you. And I think this is basil. Yeah, sweet Italian basil that I planted next to the eggplant. And they're still holding up. I planted cucumbers back here. I think it's too early, right? What did I plant? Yeah, I did plant cucumbers right there somewhere. Here it is. There it is. There go the cucumber right there, this one. And it is a Eden sweet cucumber, and the plan is for it to trellis up this flimsy trellis right here. Don't know how much support it's gonna get, but if it can support it for this growing season, then I'll be happy. I snuck a sugar baby watermelon in this pot back here. Now the issue is this pot is directly against the fence, so even though it is sunny in this area, because the fence is right there, it might shade it. But my thought process is the watermelon is gonna come out, right? So even if it trellises and trails out, the rest of it is going to get sun, so I don't really have to worry about that part over there getting sun, right? As long as whatever trellis is out, and I do plan on letting it just vine out back here, over here, and wherever it needs to vine out. Let me fix this. Is driving me crazy. I put hold on, y'all, hold on, I need to fix this because this branch is messing up. I put like little twinkle lights against my fence, and this branch, I guess it fell from the wind, and it's like I need to cut it, but I don't feel like getting my scissor right now. My neighbor's branch, and she don't mind. The sweetest old lady. Oh man. Alright, I'll cut it later. I'll figure it out later. Back to what I was doing. Hold on. But yeah, what is this growing in the front? I want to say that's either a cabbage or a cauliflower. Maybe a cauliflower that I had stuck in here that I had extra left over. And it is growing beautifully. I don't see any heads forming. I don't see any damage, disease. I don't see any bugs yet. I'm crossing my fingers. But yeah, I think that's a cauliflower. And this is a cauliflower as well. And some more weeds. I really have to get in here and get the weeding done. I don't want it to catch up to me where it's so much weeds that I can't handle it. But girl, the weeds are thriving more than the plants. Make it make sense. Moving over, let's go to the back first. This bed is predominantly empty. We just have some onions, some candy onions all around the perimeter of the bed. In the middle, I think I have like one cauliflower and broccoli, but these are dying out because I just threw them in here because I had extra. But this bed is designated to be my Kaloo bed. Oh, and I have a basil also. I didn't see you. I do have a basil. But this is designated to be my Kaloo bed. I'm Jamaican, so Kaloo is something that we thrive on and we love. So this bed is predominantly going to be all Kaloo, with the exception of a pickling cucumber. Oh, there it is. There she is. Little pickle. Look at her little cute pickle self. I have never grown pickling cucumbers, so we'll see how that goes. And on this little makeshift trellis here, this trellis is not that big, but we're trying. We're going to try our best and see what happens. And the Greenstalk, everything's looking good. Ooh, we got strawberries. Ooh, we got strawberries. I need y'all to hang over. This is the June bearing. Makes sense because June is coming up. So we got strawberries, we got some onions. We have a lot of mint in here. Also chocolate, pineapple, strawberry, ginger mint. Yeah, we have a few things going on. And cauliflower. I did have a thyme, because I used a lot of thyme that was dying, and I stuck it in here. I wonder if I can find it. Here we go. This is the thyme that I stuck in here, and it looks like it's catching, because it wasn't really coming back in the pot that I had it in. And I think it's, look at this one piece. Yo, I'm gonna baby this one piece. When I tell you I'm gonna baby this one piece, because I love thyme. There's certain things, that certain herbs that I use a lot, and thyme is like in usually 90% of the food that I cook. I'm Jamaican, like I said, so thyme is like in everything that I cook. So I'm gonna, oh, there's another one right there. 2 pieces. All right, bless your time, bless your heart. Take your time and grow. To the front here is my strawberry bed that I had from last year. I have 3 onions in here as well. The strawberries are, they're in progress. Last year this bed was filled with strawberries, filled. I don't know what happened this year. The soil is completely, it doesn't dry out as fast as I want it to. And I keep saying I'm going to pull out all the strawberries and the onions and put fresh soil and start over. But the strawberries that are coming back, not you, you're a weed, they do look somewhat healthy for the most part. That's why I can't bring myself to just pull them out. I don't know, I feel like I can make it through this garden season and then by next year pull it out. I don't know, but we're gonna pray on this and see. We're gonna hope for the best. But the onions though, the onions 1, 2, 3 are looking really good. And I put the onions in here to help deter the pests, specifically the chipmunks that like to dig up my strawberries. Hopefully, I don't know. All right, moving on. Oh, before we move on, this is the chamomile that I had planted a year or two ago. It has never flowered, but I think this might be the year I might get chamomile in here. But the thing is that I don't know if this is German chamomile or not. I don't know, and I don't have the packet for it, so we'll see. Moving over to this bed, we have, what do we have? What do we have? Hold on, y'all. Pause. Let's see. Oh, broccoli. We have some broccoli. And I don't see any broccoli heads yet. No, not yet. We have broccoli. And another onion. This is Walla Walla onions. Alright, broccoli, take your time. What is this? I think it's definitely a weed. I didn't plant you. This is broccoli too. I planted 2 rows of black. Why would I plant so much broccoli? Is this cauliflower? Maybe I did plant 2 rows of broccoli. I stuck a little zinnia in there. And we have more eggplant in here as well. Alright, so far the eggplant's looking good. Everybody looks like they're thriving, living their best life. We have some more candy onion over there. And I believe I put a cucumber over here too. I did. Where is it? Where is this cucumber? I did sneak a cucumber. I don't see it coming up yet. But this should be a straight 8 cucumber. Alright, I'll wait. Is that it? I don't know, but I'll wait. Back here we have more potatoes that I do have to add some soil to that bed. This is empty. What? Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Who is digging in my... You see that? I tell you, I need a BB gun for these squirrels. I need a BB gun for these squirrels. It can be either the squirrels or the chipmunks. I don't know which one it is, but it's both of them. Both of them. They just. All right, definitely putting more soil in this. My Yukon Gold potatoes. I tell you, can't have nothing good. Can't have nothing good. I just want to mess it up. And back here also I snuck a watermelon, which is coming up. Do you see the little watermelon? A sugar baby, right? Yeah, sugar baby. It's coming up. Did I put 1 or 2 seeds? Wait a minute now, what's this? What's that? I don't know. Maybe I did. No, I think I did 3 seeds in each one. Really? Or why would I do 1? I don't know. But we'll wait and see. Did I do 1 or 3 seeds? I don't know. Over here, more potatoes. I gotta add the soil. What is this? This is Yukon Gold again. Add more soil. And in this last bed here, this was the first bed I planted up when I was just itching to come outside. And it was still kind of cold outside. But I figured I can plant out my brassicas. So this has cabbage, it has cauliflower, it has lettuce, it has sage. Oh, look at the lettuce forming. Yes, yes, lettuce. It has cauliflower, sage. It has spinach. It has kale. Look at the curly leaves on the kale. And let me thank all my lucky stars. They were being eaten up at first, but they all look so healthy. What is this? I don't see any. That's a lie. I spoke too soon. Oh man, my spinach has some holes in it. Okay, but for all the spinach that I planted and to only have that one with holes, that's not bad. This one has a few holes, but that's not bad at all. But why are they not standing up though? That's the question. Yeah, most of the spinach, the leaves look good, so I'm thankful for that. Behind here on this trellis, I planted some sugar snap peas, so they're gonna get ready to vine up. I have never had sugar snap peas fresh from the garden, and I hear they're the most delicious, one of the most delicious things ever. So I'm very excited to try that and to see how I enjoy that. Very excited for that. I did plant beet also in between here somewhere. And this is not, nope, I think this is a weed. I didn't plant this. Onions. Oh, this, I have cabbage. And something's eating my cabbage. More cabbage. What is this? I'm pulling it because I'm pulling it. I don't know what it is. I'm pulling it. And it's really in there. I didn't plant anything that I would have labeled it. Yeah, we pulling this. Why is it so much in this bed though? Oh, this one is deep in there. What the heck is this? No. It looks like corn, but I did not. Oh no. Are y'all seeing this? What in the world? What in the world? I definitely did not plant this. I'm glad I pulled it before it got worse. I'm going to search through my garden now and find every piece that look like this and pull them before they get worse. Look at this. Ugh. Yeah, definitely going through the garden and pulling up all of them. Everyone that I see that looks like that, I'm pulling it up. Because it also pulled up some of my, like it loosened the roots around my cabbage and my radish. I mean, I tucked them back in, but still. Now I know, lesson learned. When I see that, pull it quick. In this small bed here, we just have, I think, more cabbage, more kale, some lettuce. This one actually, I planted it just in case there's a rabbit that lives in my yard. We have wild rabbits in this neighborhood, so if the rabbit gets to this one, it doesn't bother me. And I had extra seedlings left over, so I just threw them in here. If they survive, they survive. If not, then I have plans for this bed for other things. Oh, and all along here, I have snapdragons in these pots. These pots, all of them that go down here, are filled with snapdragons. And they're going to the mother. Look at it. Pull it. So hopefully they come up. Look, y'all, there is more of them. We are pulling. You know what? I'm going to call my son out here. He is pulling weeds today. Okay? He will be pulling weeds today. Bet your bottom dollar my son will be pulling weeds today. Here go another one. Here we go. But yeah, y'all, that was just a quick walkthrough of the raised vegetable garden bed. Things are still coming up. Like I said, I'm in Northwest Ohio, Zone 6B, so we're still in the early stages. The garden just it's still starting out. If you want to see how the garden if you want to see the progress of the garden, Don't forget to subscribe. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys in the comment section. Bye.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, 'cause I had something to say, blew everybody away.